maybe not. Yeah. Oh, fuck.
You opened it. No.
Maybe not. I'm thirsty! It's the only thing I can drink. Yeah. Oh. Okay. His lips.
God, he's just like, why should I do this? Oh, you're actually gonna let him drink. Drink it too fast.
Be stuck in that perpetual. No.
So disappointed in himself.
No. Extend my hand out. No. Okay.
Okay. No, you're not gonna let him drink the coffee?
Hold on. Baba. No, I can't do it.
God, he's just like, I fucking hate myself.
This is what I get for being in a video game.
Are you gonna sit down? Yeah.
Maybe. No! Fucking couch is on fire. I need to take a spot. This spot, maybe. Maybe. No. Which part of the couch is safe? Oh, I'm not getting AIDS.
Why?
I don't know. Can I sit in this one? It's more comfortable and inviting. Why is that couch yellow? Why did I buy it? I think I'm just gonna sit here smugly. Look like I'm doing something important.
But I'm not.
No! Why is my TV only like 12 inches big?
Why do I have to yell at myself?
Oh. Yeah.
I won't. That wasn't so hard.
Sit here smugly. Yeah.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over.
What?
So this is your big day,
What
huh?
the
Am I
fuck?
grown up now?
10 years old. That's
What the
enough.
fuck?
Getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a
Now
while.
can I drive your car?
Ethan, can you...
I'm playing the game!
expired because they're supposed to be
I broke the game.
next month.
I got a recording it right now.
Like Parkinson's disease.
I fucking broke it.
I think I'm just gonna keep him there. I can't even move him.
You can't?
No.